Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, today I have a swap share with you, and I have swapped in a group made by you, and we had a swap and I went ahead and signed up for it. So I am going to show you what was required in the swap. So we were required to include 3 trims that are at least 18 inches in length. So I put my trim on this cute little card. All I did was cut a square, and then I used a Martha Stewart punch for the edges. And here are my 3 trims. There's pink, white, and then this really pretty peachy and white one. And then instead of pins, I took the tiny little clothespins and I just glued a little pearl on the end, and then just clip down the edges. And then of course this beautiful bow. I just love that bow. So these are my 3 trims from my partner. And then we were to include 2 tiny embellishments, and I hope these are tiny enough. And I did share these with you guys, and they're heart shaped, of course. And then of course I glued all the little doodads down, and I love these. I did put tags on them, I put ribbon on them so they can be used as a tag, or she can remove that and and use it a different way. But just love the roses, and I just love everything about these little embellishments. And I just put them on a tag or on a card and glued them down and put them in a plastic bag. And then also, so we were supposed to make a tag with a sentiment or something on it, and I cut this tag out. It isn't actually a tag. It's a frame for something else. But I went ahead and sprayed it with that bubblegum misting spray, and I added a pink bow on the top, and I went ahead and sprayed the back as well. So this is my blank tag for my partner, and I actually really love that. So that's my blank card. And then we were to include a shaped tag. So this is my shaped tag that I made for my partner. Of course, it is a heart, and take it out for you guys. And I used the pink mirrored cardstock, and then the gold on the front, and that could be a little hard to write on, so I just included this tiny little tag that can be written on instead of the mirrored cardstock. And I did put a little bead at the bottom, and that one was gifted to me in a swap. And I put pearls all the way around, flat back pearls all the way around, and then one in the center where the tie is at, and then some roses and leaves, and then some dots with the what did I use? I think I used pop of color for these little dots here. So that is my tag to my partner. I thought it turned out super cute. There we go. So that is my tag. So we were also supposed to make a dangle. Now we followed a tutorial by Scrap the World, and her dangle, I think she said something that can dangle from the tag. So my dangle is a little bit larger than that, so hopefully my partner doesn't mind. But I put it in an organza bag, and here is my dangle for my partner. And I just love the way it turned out. I added all kinds of charms. Here's a key, some lips. Here's the ball with the pink crystals in it. Here's another gold ball, of course, our spiral thingies, I don't know what they're called, and another, this is a pink ball, and I just put some end caps on there. This was in my stash, so I think someone gave this to me, but I don't remember. and I put some and I added some rondelles to the top and bottom. And here's another one. This one was here's another one that I have, and I used this is one of my favorite charms. This is the Eiffel Tower and another pinky spirally thing. So I think it turned out really, really cute. It may be a little too large for this, but I mean, she can always just take some of them off. I don't know. But anyway, that was my charm to my partner. And then also what we put our swap into was up to us, so we were given free reign on what to put in our swap into. So this is what I made my partner, and this is a box that's been in my stash like forever, and it was the perfect size. So here is my box, and I did get this box from Daiso quite some time ago, and it was just sitting in my closet, and I thought, well, why not? So I went ahead and put a pink layer at the bottom, and then the mirrored fuchsia hot pink layer next, and then the white glitter layer. And then I just you know, just put different elements, some flowers, hearts, and the XOXO I added some glossy accents to the front, or glossy accent to the front, and then I added this really pretty bling piece right here in the center, and the organza bow along with a 1/8 inch red bow. So on the inside, of course, you know, we have to cover all the glue and stuff, and I did use E6000. So the inside, I went ahead and put one of the bingo cards that are in my shop, and then this one is another one that I have in my stash, another bow, and then a plastic piece right in the center. So I thought that was so cute. I just love this bingo card. And then for goodies, I went ahead and included some stamps. This one, they come from Dollar Tree, and they fit perfectly in here, and you know, everything just fits so well. I was like I said, everything, this box was the perfect size. So that is what my partner is going to get, but I also am going to send her a little goodie from Texas. This one comes from Buc-ee's, and milk chocolate almonds. I can't imagine, you know, unless she has you know, nut, unless she's allergic to nuts. Hopefully she can enjoy this. I don't know much about my partner, so I'm just sending her some Texas yummies. And we're real big on our Buc-ee's. Our Buc-ee's are, you know, just, if you ever come to Texas, go to Buc-ee's. So this is how I am going to send my partner her swap. I just think, you know, it turned out so pretty. I really, really did enjoy working on this. And that is my swap for my partner. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later, and y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.